Hi guys, so I will be starting a new series on this channel. It's going to be about my journey through learning Python. So currently at this stage, I have about zero experience with Python. However, I don't hold that belief that what language you work in is nearly as important as who you are and how you think as a programmer. I hope that I can demonstrate that through my novice knowledge now and what I create moving forward. Basically, I'm going to be making a documentation of my journey learning Python. And my intentions here are really just to have fun and learn. And a big reason for this is actually a buddy of mine who reached out to me. He was talking about how he was interested in learning Python and data science from ground zero. He has zero programming experience. So I hope to jump on board with him in the same sense of learning Python. And along this series, I hope that we can get in touch and maybe have him on, and I'll be showing him, teaching him. And also I'm going to be learning myself and sharing the journey with you. Check in next time, and we'll be making some apps together. I got a really exciting idea to share with you guys, especially for people who like stock trading. I'm looking to jump in and try some cool data analysis. Right now it's spaghetti on the wall, but tune in. Let's have some fun.